Good evening. It's around a few minutes to 19 hours. That is a few minutes to 7 o'clock in the evening. Welcome to Edelric's channel. Yeah, we are live in our kitchen garden. Not so big, where we keep our rabbits and do some vegetables here for our own consumption. And yes, some for selling. We do have collards greens here. We also have amaranthus. We also have pumpkin leaves here. And by the way, the benefits of the pumpkin leaves are very many. For the ladies, for their soft skin, and it also alleviates the PMS, that is premenstrual syndrome. Also helps in managing colon issues, even issues to do with the heart. And the collard greens, these are the collard greens. It has also very many benefits, the vitamins, all the vitamins you'll need from these vegetables are quite massive. We also have some corn there and our apple tree doing very well. We also have a citrus tree here. It has a few fruits. Yes, here are a few fruits. They should be ready in a few days' time. In a few months' time, they will be ready. Now, today I just want to share with you, if you went to the market and you got this, would you buy this or you would rather buy this? When you go to the grocery, would you buy this or you will buy this? Let me repeat, will you buy number one or you will buy number two? Let me know in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will go for this. I'll go for this as opposed to this. That is if you are buying from a store that you don't know where they are sourcing their veggies. The reason being, if you get such a kind of collard greens leaves on the market, it means they are all healthy. Yes, they have been punctured or they are eaten by pests, but the pests don't leave any harmful traces or something or sap from their body to the leaves. It also means the leaves are healthy. That's why the pests are chewing on them or making a meal out of them, as opposed to some of these. Yes, they might have been sprayed with organic pesticides like the way we do, as we usually use our urine from our rabbitry to spray most of our crops, as you can see here. Usually use urine, and then we also use the droppings as the fertilizer. As you can see, we've just planted some traditional vegetables here. Now, most of the greengrocers, they are in to make quick profits. So that's why they use heavy chemicals so that their leaves look like this, which in turn attracts your eye. You might think you are eating something healthy, but it has been sprayed with a lot of chemicals. Some go even further as like waxing the leaves and waxing the, let's say, apples and fruits, so that they be attractive and they attract the customer. But at the end, you don't know what you are eating. You are loading your body with the chemicals, unless you are buying direct from a farm, or you are buying from a store that you know where its source is. I also advise, maybe if you get These are pumpkin leaves. Most of them nowadays, we have those the plant breeders have seeds that bear fruit, maybe the pumpkin fruit, which also has various health benefits. Apart from the leaves, also you can also mash for young babies. The leaves, these are it has it's healthy. The reason why you won't see any holes or pest holes on traditional vegetables like this one and the amaranthus and maybe the giant nightshade. Let me just show you the giant nightshade. We also have it in the farm. This is the nightshade. They are also beneficial vegetables. These are not they're not very palatable to the pests. They have some bitter taste to the pests, so you won't find, most of them won't be sprayed by the farmers as they are not palatable, and maybe some are very rough to some of these pests, but they are very healthy wise. They are very healthy vegetables to consume, unlike opposed to if you get such like leaves on the market, which are very green, looking very attractive, but at the end, when or consuming on a very long period of time without changing or without verifying the source, we end up having health issues, as opposed to those eating maybe from their own kitchen garden. We also have amaranthus, which is very beneficial also. The seeds also, the flour, when you get the seeds and harvest and crush, you can make flour out of it, which is also has some very good health benefits. Yeah, so today, this evening, I just wanted to let you know, when you go to a greengrocer, if you are buying this, unless you know the source, of which the seller won't tell you, I would rather recommend you eat this. There are some areas we don't spray the rabbit urine, not all of it. So those areas that we haven't sprayed the rabbit urine is where you get the insects have not been repelled. So that's why they make a meal out of this. But they are very healthy. If you see a leaf that has been punctured, it means it's healthy. It doesn't have any chemicals. That's why the pests have to eat. They also have to eat. As much as you have to eat, we coexist. That's all for now. God's blessings.